Hello! Today we're going to make a bag holder in Solidworks Apps for Kids. We start with a simple S shape. The top will slot on your desk and the bottom hook will hold your bag. We make the hook part thicker so it can hold a bag. And then we sharpen the whole body so it has nice flat surfaces to carry the weight. We expand the right side of the body to the right so the bag holder is wider, thus stronger. We lower the bottom section of the hook so it's bigger, making it easier to fit our bag on it. And finally, we round the outer edges. They will feel smoother to touch and no one will get scratched. The basic shape of our bag holder is done. We will customize our model with some shape created by someone else. We really like this caterpillar, so we place it at the top. We switch to the Style It app and we change the model's color. We choose a light green color to make it look as if the caterpillar was on a young leaf. Voila! Our custom bag holder is ready to hit the shop's shelves.